It's road trip time. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notifications buttons below. Right down there. Because sharing is caring. So I'm here in Scottsdale, Arizona today to check out the Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale auction. And man, they got some beautiful cars here. So you can see the little horse behind us. We're here at Westworld, which used to be called Horse World. A lot of Arabian shows and stuff here, but a lot of car shows too. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna check out the cars and come along.
$1959 Chevrolet 3600 Napco pickup.
So the blue LC500 Lexus is the first convertible ever made, and they auctioned it off for charity, and it went for $2 million, which is just beautiful. This yellow LC500 is actually the yellow I was going to originally put on my 33 Hot Rod, but it works great on this car, but it's just a little too gold for what I wanted to do, so I kind of bailed and went with the blue. Now, if you remember at the last show that I filmed a C8 Corvette, there was only one of them, and it was behind, you know, the little barriers that you couldn't see it from like 5-6 feet away or whatever. I was just totally blown away that there was 4 Corvettes, and then after the fact, I come across this Corvette store, and there's another 2 in there. So I went from seeing one Corvette from far away to now walking right up to some Corvettes, and then actually walking through a store where you could pick out all your options. And the one they had in store, they had the windows down, so you could actually get some good interior pictures and This is definitely the best interior that Corvette's ever made. All the stitching is just beautiful. The seats are beautiful, you know, matching seat belts, carbon fiber in the seats, you name it, it's just beautiful. Now, if you didn't notice, on the original 4 Corvettes, there's 2 different back ends, one for the convertible and one for the hardtop version, even though it still is like a target top, comes off, goes in the back like you see there. So you might want to go back and see that footage to see the differences between the cars, because it took me a while before I even figured out that they were different. And the front here is actually really nice and big, so, you know, within reason. But the other option is instead of Corvette, is actually building one of these F9Rs. And, you know, this particular one has a V12 in it, V12 LS engine, actually made out of Australia. I don't know if I'd go that crazy with it, but because it's somewhere between $25,000 to $50,000, whether you have it, you know, you build it yourself or you have it pre-built. But the chassis looks solid. It actually looks laid out pretty well, and it looks pretty simple. It doesn't seem like building this chassis is that difficult. I will say that it's also, you know, because of the cage and everything, that it's a lot more race ready and a lot more sturdy than my 33 in the sense of if you did a rollover. So at the booth they had a pickup truck, Cobra, FR9, 33, a Daytona, new shape 33, and then the Cobra they actually built on site. So I did get a lot of information from them to do some, you know, tips and tweaks and stuff like that, and so I'm really looking forward to do that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to close out with one of my favorite cars of the whole show, which of course is the Ford GT. I just think these are amazing cars, and this one in particular just looks beautiful. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of my 33 build videos, please subscribe, and hope to see you on the channel. Have a great day.